decorative stitches on a Pfaff sewing machine are always so pretty stitched out. But one of the things about stitching out your decorative stitches is oftentimes you want to not stop right in the middle of a decorative stitch. You want it to finish. So you see how each of these patterns are finished off? So I'm in the middle of stitching one of the stitches called a hem stitch, and I'm just using the start stop button to do that. So if I want to actually have it finish the pattern and stop, I'm going to touch the stitch restart button. That's this one right here. So wherever you push it, it will finish that pattern and lock it for you. I love using the start stop button because I don't have to hold my foot on the foot control. So see how it went to the end of the stitch, locked it, and then stopped? Now when I pull it out, I will see I have exactly the same look at the beginning and the ends because that's the start and end of the pattern. Now let me show you how you use that same function but in a different way. So let's go ahead and get started stitching the same pattern. And let's say I get to the end, and it doesn't matter where I stop because maybe I'm sewing it into something. So if I am not sewing and I touch the stitch restart button, what it'll do is actually restart the pattern. Now I'm going to skip forward about an inch so you can see what I'm talking about. What it does is starts back at the beginning of the stitch. So once again, I'm going to just kind of stop it in the middle. But I'm going to just take it out so you can see it. So what we're noticing is that when you're stopped in the middle and just pulled it out, when you touch the stitch restart button, it restarts the stitch. But if you push it while you're sewing, you'll get all the way to the end of the pattern and gain some locking stitches as well.